Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna go ahead and jump right on in today, guys. My daughter and me, we watched a video from Vee Nailedit, and my daughter absolutely loved the nails. So she was like, Mommy, recreate this. So y'all, don't laugh, okay? I think they came out really cute. Very, very cute. I had to pat myself on the back. I think I did these. So what I did for these nails, I went ahead and I cleaned up my cuticles. I hand file my actual natural nail just so I can keep them a little healthy. And then I came in with my primer and dehydrator, or dehydrator then primer. And I do prime my nails twice. I went ahead and reshaped these a little bit. I noticed my tips were a little wider than what I wanted them to be. So I just came in and lightly tapered them a little bit more. I actually kind of wanted it to be squared with just a slight taper. And these nail tips, I'll make sure I link them in the description box. I got these off of Amazon, very reasonable. It came in a 2-pack. One is natural, one is clear, and I believe it was like $5 or $6. So what I did was I come in with this white that I got from Nail Supply Glamour. If you don't know, baby, and you have not tried their acrylics out, try them. And no, this is not sponsored. I just feel like their acrylics are just like butter, and they're very inexpensive. So between them and this other company called Plugged Acrylics, that's hands down my favorite acrylics to work with. So I just apply this kind of a little bit where my tip and my natural nail meet, and then work my way down. I was having trouble with this brush, and I really think I had like a little ball of acrylic in it. So I went ahead and switched to a different brush and then left that brush in the cleaner. And this time today, guys, I'll be showing y'all mostly my non-dominant hand. So if you don't know, guys, that is my struggle, my weakness, my non-dominant hand. I always am just struggling. So let me let y'all watch me struggle, but I still think I did a great job. So once I let that dry, I came in with this nude color from Nail Supply Glamour. I absolutely love this color. You've probably seen this color in every video because I just love it. But this nude it's kind of hit or miss for me just because I'm not great with working with my dominant hand. I started out with a wetter bead thinking it would be a little easier for me, but I realized that actually slightly drier did me a little bit more justice. But I just applied it and then just lightly brushed it down. So you just see me do that. My left hand, I actually have more of the white showing, but on this right hand that I'm working on right now, I actually have less of the white showing. And to be honest with you, I think I like this hand better, which is a shock because I was working with my non-dominant hand, but I really like more nude, less white. After letting these nails dry, I came through with some clear acrylic from JC Beauty Concept and I encapsulated these nails. I did experience some yellowing, but I really think that's because I used a no odor monomer. It usually comes off as soon as I file the nails and then I'll get that brighter color that I started with. So I know you guys always ask me to start keeping my filing in my videos. So today I did just that. I basically come on both sides and just kind of make sure that my sides are crisp, the shape, because you can see it's a little warped in some places. My table is shaking, and this is why most of the time I leave out the filing, is because first it's hard to stay in frame, and second it's hard to just keep everything still because I'm usually all over the place. But then I take my the more texture side, the more coarse side of the sanding, I can't even talk right now, y'all, of my nail file, and I file vertically on my nail. And I basically get that thinner tip, but it helps me kind of keep the apex in check. And then when I'm done using my coarse side, I come through with my fine side, and then I just go over it one more time. And that kind of smooths out all the ridges and scratches. I also make sure I go around my cuticles too, because it kind of helps the cuticles stay a little bit more flush. This set I did entirely with my hand file. I did not use my e-file, simply because I feel like with the e-file, I get quicker results, but with my hand file, I get more crisp results because it just helps me kind of keep in control more of the shape I'm going for. So one of Vee Nailedit's old videos, she did like an ombre set. She used colors, but I just wanted to keep mine simple with the white and the nude. And then she did these little flowers. So today I wanted to try 3D flowers. This is my first time ever doing this. I did not have the proper brush, so I used whatever brush I had in my nail supply. So basically I know she took a small bead, kind of kept it a little drier, and then mushed and pressed and fluffed, and I don't know, y'all. So I think for this being my first time, I really think I did a pretty good job. My second one came out horrible, so I ended up filing it off my nails. So I just have one flower on these nails. I did order me a brush because I really want to start practicing more with my 3D nail designs. I just want to, do a little bit more. So that pretty much is it, guys. After I was done with this design, I applied a top coat and I applied my Parker J's Magic Mane oil to my cuticles. So let me know what you guys think of this set my little girl picked out. I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure that you thumbs up this video and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications, all of that. And let me know what y'all think of this set, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mila B out.